Ethereum by and large is a highest-level mineable coin, with the ticker ETH that generally has a for the most part present worth of $1,590.80 and a market capitalization of $191,310,848,664, versus the explicitly thought. Digital currencies certainly have sort of lengthy past a purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, or so they truly thought. These days, it's a resource class that is considerably managed and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate, which basically is very huge. Some truly huge venture banks even truly gain Ethereum and truly other digital forms of money altogether to generally safeguard their resources under administration, against the dashing expansion that disables the conventional monetary business sectors, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Presently, now is the ideal time to uncover our short, mid, and really long-haul forecast of the improvements on the ETH market that sort of depend on the readings of our kind of novel crypto unpredictability file that by and large assists us with checking the market feeling and basically expect where in which the market plans to go in a for the most part huge manner explicitly. At this point, the cost of Ethereum for the most part is $1,590.80. While the coin right now generally winds up at second spot in the genuinely by and large positioning, which is genuinely huge. The said truly positioning explicitly is assessed based on the resource's truly present value that truly is duplicated by its exceptionally current market capitalization, a recipe that truly is applied all through every monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients certainly get the most pertinent information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios, showing how digital currencies truly have in every practical sense long past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors. Which for the most part is genuinely huge. It's likewise critical to especially consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its course, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. On October 16, the cost of Ethereum essentially was at $1,557.65 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change explicitly added up to 0.49%, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on October 10, ETH in a real sense was esteemed at $1,580.33, which really intends that from that point forward, the cost has for the most part changed by 0% in a by and large significant manner. A month prior, on September 17, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $1,635.19. In this way, the coin truly has made a 2.71% move to essentially arrive at its for the most part present standings, which by and large is genuinely critical. Notwithstanding, as currently made sense of, the cost of Ethereum isn't the main pretty factor that we generally consider while making the cost expectation, which fundamentally is very huge. It's likewise critical to for the most part keep a sort of sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to fundamentally have a reasonable perspective on where the market generally is going in an extremely significant manner. The examination of market capitalization most certainly conveys fundamentally equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and customary business sectors in a very significant manner. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology basically is utilized to decide the really by and large position and ubiquity of computerized resources and stocks, for example, in an essentially significant way as a matter of fact. Changes in market capitalization kind of sure or kind of negative are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market may head, as well as the resource's genuinely potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both by and large short and especially long-haul viewpoints, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. This fundamentally specific especially metric generally is likewise used to measure the strength of Ethereum, comparable to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation in an unobtrusive manner. To really decide the in every practical sense current market capitalization of ETH, we duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will especially be in a real sense made sense of later by the current worth of the cryptographic money under survey amazingly. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum generally remains at $191,310,848,664, which frames the reason for commonly present kind of positioning was referenced before in an exceptionally huge manner. Yesterday, on October 16, ETH had a market capitalization of $187,326,949,993 versus the in every way that really matters thought. Keep going week, on October 10, The market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $190,032,945,647 in a significant manner. A month prior, on September 17, the market worth of Ethereum was evaluated to explicitly be $196,588,145,188, USD for the most part thought. Complete inventory considers the quantity of coins that fundamentally have previously been delivered by different means, for example, through mining, which essentially is very critical. These digital currencies can commonly be utilized either for sort of dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers in an essentially significant manner. This for the most part metric additionally figures the coins that have been gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which by and large is applied to control the expansion rate, which basically is very huge. At this point, the complete inventory of Ethereum generally is laid out at 120,269,116 ETH, which is genuinely critical. Ultimately, the circling supply especially is utilized to sort of compute the market capitalization and fundamentally evaluate the coins really current remaining in the positions, showing that it's likewise vital to for the most part consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading in every practical sense. In opposition to prevalent thinking, it means the exceptionally generally measure of ETH that really is by and by exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that fundamentally are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use out of the blue. So the examination of market capitalization generally conveys equivalent significance in both digital money and conventional business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. It's by and large in every practical sense accepted that digital currencies that truly have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million truly are the most appropriate for all things considered, long-haul speculation, since they in a real sense are probably going to fundamentally see the value in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, conceivably many years. While keeping a sensible expansion rate, which truly is genuinely critical. At this crossroads, Ethereum really has a flowing stock of 120,269,116 coins in an unobtrusive manner. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the place of $8,062,660,637 in a sort of significant manner. Yesterday, on October 16, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame basically remained at $2,919,986,845, but in large in opposition to mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on October 10, how much ETH that basically was traded between market members in a real sense was assessed at $7,022,333,502 in an unpretentious manner. Presently fundamentally comes an opportunity to in a real sense make sense of exhaustively the pith of the crypto unpredictability list, CVIX, since it's a highlight of our cost expectation model that permits us to generally predict the way that Ethereum will truly follow over the genuinely next 1 to 5